So in this part, we're going to start connecting our Firebase project with our Android Studio app. Now, first of all, you need to go to your console and open up your app. Then you need to click on this Add to Firebase button. Now you can see that there is a note right over here. Get started on Android faster by clicking Tools, Firebase in Android Studio version 2.2 plus. Now, what exactly that means is you don't need to fill out these details and proceed to the another two steps to do that. There is much simpler way in the latest version of Android Studio. So if you are in the earlier version, you can follow these steps to connect your app. And if you have the latest version, just like I have right over here, that is the 2.2.2 version, I'm going to open up my Android Studio and open up your app that you have created. Then you move to the tools and click on this Firebase button right over here. There it's gonna pop out a sidebar menu for you, and there will be like options list. Now what I really want to do is simply click on any option you want. Just like here, I'm going to use this real-time database button. Then I'm going to click on this save and retrieve data, and it's gonna pop out some another option for you guys. So there we have just two steps you need to do. First is connect your app to Firebase. Now before that, what you want to do is click on this button right over here and sign in to your Google account. Then hit connect to Firebase and wait for it. Then you can see that you can create a new project, or you can choose from existing project. Here you can see that the name of the project matches the exact. That's because we are already connected to our Google account. Select your project, connect to Firebase. Now it's gonna do a little bit of loading right over here, but as soon as it's finished, you'll be able to see your project connected to Firebase. So I'm gonna skip that. And let's see. So our first what do you call it? First step is done. I'm going to reload the page, and there you can see the app is connected to our Firebase project. Then sorry about that, I'm going to open up the Android Studio again, and I'm going to click on add the real-time database to your app, and let's accept the changes. Now before doing that, what I want you guys to do is you just need to go to the docs, and then you go to the for Android get started guide. Now it's going to open up the get started guide, and if you proceed a little bit down, you can see that there is a list of Gradle dependencies that you can add manually for different features that you want, or you can select one by one and add any feature that you want for your app. We're going to do this way, obviously, but before proceeding to that, what I want you guys to go ahead and connect your app. And one more thing that I want you guys to do is run your emulator. If you are using the default one, you can add that, or there is a better one that you can use, or that is the Genymotion. It is free for personal use. Yeah, Genymotion, not Jabbymotion. You can use that. It's a bit faster, but there is always one thing that is the fastest, and which is your actual Android device. Now you guys may be thinking using that can be a bit tricky, but that's not exactly the case, because we are going to use the actual device to test the app. So what I want you guys to do is, there is an app to connect it. So I'm gonna just Google the Wiser app. That's actually the extension for Google Chrome. You can add it to your Google Chrome, then install it in your Android Android phone from the Play Store, and there we go. Just like that, you can use your phone in your PC or laptop directly. You need to obviously stay connected using the USB cable, and allow the USB debugging to your phone. Now I'm not promoting any app or something over here, but this is actually really easy to use, and as you know that the actual device is always faster than the emulator. So we are going to use the actual device over here, and we're going to work with our app using this device right over here. So go ahead and connect your project to your Android Studio, and we will start working with real-time data any part from now. So see you guys later.